How to remove Messenger account from device. So the first thing you should know that Messenger is linked with Facebook. So there is no any direct option where you can remove the account directly from the Messenger app. In order to do so, you have to head over to the application Facebook, enter login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to this three horizontal line at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Head over to Account Center. Tap on OK. Head over to Password and Security. Inside Security Checks, you will see the option of where you are logged in. Head over to it. It will be landing you on Space. In this space, you will be able to see all the list of the devices that you are logged into. Simply click on the device that you want to log out or remove. And the option of logout will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and then tap on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, your Facebook and Messenger account will be removed from that devices and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove Messenger account from devices. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.